सोहेल खान, हुमा कुरैशी, सुनील शेट्टी, काजल अग्रवाल, बोनी कपूर और सचिन जोशी रिसेंटली नजर आए एक सेलिब्रिटी क्रिकेट लीग के इवेंट पर, जहां इन सभी स्टार्स ने एक नए इनिशिएटिव से अपने एसोसिएशन की बात अनाउंस की और 100 हीरोज 100 हार्ट्स नाम के इस इनिशिएटिव को लॉन्च किया। और ये तमाम स्टार्स यहां अपने इस खास इनिशिएटिव के बारे में बात करने मीडिया के सामने आए।
असली हीरो वो होता है जो दिल से खेलता है, और जो हीरो बच्चों के दिल के लिए खेले, आई थिंक उससे अच्छी बात हो ही नहीं सकती है। So it's my huge honor and privilege as part of the Mumbai Heroes team to be part of the initiative, and anything I can do, Vishnu, Brinda, you can always call me.
And this is the first time that we genuinely feel that all the powers put together, from satellite to advertising to sponsors, will come in for the right reason, and that is helping the kids who I need. With the media support, with people who will come together during this tournament, it's not for us that we are asking for the first time, it's actually for these kids. And anyone whose heart is beating, I feel that should feel for these poor kids and be a part of this.
CCL is a very interesting match, and every time I've gone for the match, it's been a lot of fun to witness something like this. And I'm extremely impressed and extremely happy that they've taken on a fabulous initiative like this and a fabulous cause like this. I don't think it can get any better. And also extremely proud to be a part of this whole initiative.
I thought about it for a long time, but then finally I thought, because we're playing cricket, we are almost about 100 actors all put together, play for the cause. So I thought, if it is 100 heart surgeries, 100 of us playing together, and we are uniting for one cause, I thought, let me announce from the Big Brother Foundation that every run that every actor that scores, you know, it's a pledge that I make to all my friends as actors, whoever are playing CCL. Every run that we score, I would contribute 1,000 rupees per run. And that's something that as little as I can contribute to this cause. And I hope that all my friends, all the actors, all the colleagues, we score as many runs as possible for the tournament so that I can, and we all can contribute together.
Sachin is a little brother, but his foundation says big brother. Mr. and Mrs. Joshi, both of you, thank you so very much for supporting the cause. You know, it's an industry where we always wanted to do something. So I think from our point of view, maybe even if we help 10 or 15 kids from our very own industry, other than the outside, you know, with surgeries, it would help in a very, very big way.
Well, we hope बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज का इस क्रिकेट लीग के 100 हीरोज 100 हार्ट्स इनिशिएटिव से जुड़ना वाकई कमाल दिखा जाए। फॉर अभिषेक, ज़ूम, मुंबई।